So I have been working in Lisle for 19 years. And in the 19 years that I have been in Lisle, this courtyard has been a non-used space. Recently, I started getting into gardening at home, and I thought, wow, this is a wonderful space where we could teach kids about sustainability and where food comes from. And I have a friend, Mr. Moss, who is a horticulturalist by trade, and I started talking to him about, like, wow, we have this really amazing space. What can we do with it to make it almost like an outdoor classroom, but also a place where students can commune and also like get in touch with nature and get in touch with skills that they can use for the rest of their lives.
When we were approached with the grant, it was a good fit into the things that the foundation finances. We knew right away that it would be a good start, a good investment for the students and for the school.
Mrs. Nelson approached me with the idea of doing something to the courtyard. She was a little concerned that it was kind of weedy and overgrown, and was figuring out ways maybe that the kids could have an outlet for some energy and help beautify the entire space.
We went through a lot of names. We picked Growing Pride because obviously we're the Lions, and we are a pride of Lions, but also we want to be able to take pride in this beautiful space that we have here.
We're going to put it all the way in the bottom, all the way down there, and then this is a two-person job. So I'm gonna get your help, Jake. Do me a favor. Can you hold that just like that with your hands? Can you hold that up for me? Just hold it just like that.
Growing Pride is an initiative where the garden club, digging club is a part of it, but also these lessons can be pushed into classrooms. And so as this was our first year, we started pushing lessons obviously first into science and in FCS because, food and nutrition obviously is, something Mrs. Byrne covers in FCS, but different teachers, as we started talking about it, just found different ways to bring their kids out.
And all the kids, these kids definitely deserve a lot of credit too, because they came out. And it's not just the kids who are here. We have a lot of kids who are dedicated to show up every week, but even the ones that pass by and give the little kind words, saying it's looking good, or what you're doing, or coming to see what we plant. We definitely have noticed it. We appreciate all the kind words and everything coming from everybody.
So far it's working, but they look forward to the opportunities they have through Growing Pride here at Lisle Junior High.